So I've been waiting to talk about marking gauges because there's a million marking gauge videos out there. And let's start off with this. You get this at Home Depot or Amazon, and it is such a good tool. And I actually used it to, basically what I'm doing is I'm making these into support posts, and I'm taking the existing nuts right here and I'm getting a measurement right down here, and then I go on to the tube right here and using the steel pin which comes out of here, I go here and I make a scribe. That's cool for that. But what do I do for this one? And you see this tube is this long. My marking gauge is not that long. What do you do? Well, they do make a longer version of this. I don't have it and I don't need it. That's what this whole video is about. So I want to talk about this little marking gauge I have. It's actually an accessory. So I bought this ruler separately, and then this metal marking gauge, boom, goes on there. But I want to also show one other piece of equipment, which is my 36-inch rule. So this the beauty of this particular marking gauge is that as long as your ruler is of the correct width, you can turn anything into a marking gauge. So that's the video. Just a quick little video on this marking gauge, which I really like. So thanks for tuning in. Go ahead and check the description below if you want to pick up one of these, or one of these, or one of these. Thanks for tuning in, and happy making.